ones over there?
Oh, there's like that one will tell you. Squeak looks bored.
Who?
Squeak. Chindy's here.
So this one here is Elsa. Elsa is the one with the blue eyes. And this one over here is missing breed of cat. There they are. They're Maine Coons. They're actually European. And so their quality is actually pretty good. They're really large sized cats. They come from a very large sized breed. And of course, their daddy is Smokey. Everybody knows Smokey. He's a very large blue Maine Coon. Oh, there's Snowflake. Snowflake has one of the amber eyes. The natural color.
I've got the full wrap on. I'm going to pull this cereal. I'm already done.
Let me see.
I left some behind.
Open the doggy spoon.
Good things.
Even
I
some
just don't
milk
get this
behind
whole
for
toy
the
thing.
drink.
It's making too much noise.
You know where the big ball is? In the doghouse. Actually, Trinity just sat down like that. Other way. You lock the top lock. No, it's the other way.